Baby.
There ain't no cap in my rap. I've been out here since a munchkin, keeping it 100, running from nothing. Midwest thuggin', big ol' shooter tucked off in my red monkeys. I've been in the trap bunkin', paranoid off in public. Grew up around some niggas hustling, so I seen exactly what I wanted. I do not cap, this is not lids. You can get snatched up out of your whip. That little bitch that be sucking your dick, I'll have her pull up and show me your crib. Now my little niggas off in your shit, just from what you said, not what you did. Now you tied up, your son throwing the fit, but he get a pass cause we don't touch kids. Mix the lean with the ginger ale. You got a problem, we'll fix it then. They dropping dimes, wishing well. Even when sober, we ignorant. We act ourselves, ain't no fitting in. Pushing this weight like a fitness gym. Reeling the money we fishing in. And even outside, we still get it in. Pissing on you lanes, I ain't not potty train. Riding for my gang, there is no parlay. This a stick up, this ain't no robbery. You out your biscuit, you think about robbing me. Still don't get the respect I deserve, I feel like Scotty P. All of them years over my head, they still didn't get a word out of me.